Hey Sugar, SugarPearl's has something in store, and right now I'm having something delivered by Building SugarPearl's. Don't worry about how long it takes your dream to come true. Don't worry about how long it takes. Just know that in due time, it'll happen. Yes! Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, yeah. Hi, Marcus. Phase 1. Oh, what can this be? What can this be? We're building. SugarPearl's is building. So stay tuned. There's more to see. SugarPearl's, food that loves you back. Now with a location coming in a bit.